Hey guys, just want to demo my Santa pole for you. See how it's got this crisscross pattern? I call it a diamond pattern. I made this up so the sand, the dust doesn't build up between the paper and the wall. It all comes out. I'm going to take and scratch up some of the walls over here. And then I'm going to mark it with a pencil so you can see the dark scratches. And then I'm going to sand them out and show you what this little bugger does. Alright, I'm making scratches in the wall here. See them scratches? I'm using a screw. This is +3. My Santa pole doesn't scratch +3. It polishes it. You use 220 grit sandpaper and see all these little scratches? You can feel them with your hands. I'm going to put one deep one in there, really deep. See it? I scratched that really bad. Now watch, I'm going to put pencil lines in the bottom of all them scratches. See? All them scratches I put in there, I put a pencil line on. Now watch, I'm going to sand it out. Just stay there. You know? Now normally you would have to touch this up. But watch what this little bugger does. That one's really in there. I can get it by doing this. Takes them all out. All gone. Now also, I'm going to sand the edges. And you're going to see that the edges don't get all scratched up when you use this pole. This is 220 grit sandpaper. And it's just the cheap stuff. It's not screen or anything like that. See that? See how nice that does it? Takes off the edge. It's all good. This is just 220 grit and this has already been used. It's not a fresh piece of sandpaper. I sand this whole house down with this one piece. Alright guys, my new stuff comes in a hand sander or a 4-foot Santa pole. You can go to my website down here and it'll tell you how to order. I know you won't be sorry that you did this. It's the best thing for drywall that's ever happened. Alright, catch you again on the next one. Have a good day.